In most cases, when using a Serstech Raman instrument, we can just point and shoot. However, Serstech offers adapters for certain situations to make measurements easier. For example, the Vial Adapter, which snaps onto the probe tip, offers a convenient and safe way to analyze chemicals in vials. This time we'll use quick scan method number 3. Here you can see we've identified propylene glycol as the liquid. If we have only a small amount of liquid in a vial, we can use the spacer to raise the vial a little. This ensures the laser focuses in the sample and not above it. So again, using quick scan method number 3, we'll initiate the scan. Here you can see we've identified ethanol. For more instructional videos like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel at the address below.